Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos, blog posts, and email newsletter, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. During the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me with tips and suggestions on how to maintain a company-ready home at all times. And I also recently published my new book or my new planner, the 2024 Divine Home and Life Planner. There's information about that in the description box below. So as the title of this video suggests, we're going to share 7 tips or 7 advantages of permanent Christmas lightings. So let's get started. Let's jump right in. Number 1, using permanent lights save energy. Yes, those LED bulbs save more energy than the traditional bulbs. So by saving energy, you're actually decreasing your carbon footprint. The LED bulbs are designed to withhold all the elements of the outside. So by switching to the permanent Christmas lights, you're making a big step on saving energy and funds. Number 2, diverse uses. Yes, the permanent Christmas lights may say Christmas lights, but you can use them for various reasons. You can use them for security lights, landscape lights, in addition to being traditional Christmas lights. So you can use them for various reasons because once they're up, you have them. So that's a big advantage versus the traditional Christmas lights. Number 3, they are long lasting. Typically, from what I've been told and the research I found, the LED permanent Christmas lights can last at least 20 years with traditional everyday wear usage. I think the company that I use said if you use them for 5 hours a night for every night, they will last a minimum of 20 years without having to replace any of the LED lights. So saying they're long lasting is very much an understatement. Number 4, year-round usage. So these may be called Christmas lights, but you can actually use them for every holiday and every reason. Say, for example, it's Prince's birthday and you want to have purple lights, or your favorite baseball team just won the World Series and you want to have the lights go around your house that color. So in addition to just being Christmas lights, you can use them for various reasons. Maybe for Valentine's Day, you want to have red and white lights, or Veterans Day or 4th of July, you want red, white, and blue lights. So there are so many uses. It can be your birthday and you want to just have your favorite color. So this is something that you cannot do with traditional lights. Number 5, low maintenance. Well, it should be no maintenance because once they're installed, they're there for a long time. You don't have to worry about having someone or you yourself having to climb up a ladder every holiday season to add your lights. Once they're there, they are there. So it's really low maintenance. Now, if a bulb or if an LED bulb blows, you can definitely call the vendor or the contractor or whoever installed them for you and have them swap out that one. But from what I've heard, they really last forever and may not even need swiping out for at least 20 years. So I definitely call that no maintenance. Number 6, they can actually increase your home in value. Having those permanent lights is a big selling point. Basically, anything extra that you can do to your home that makes it stand out from the next home that adds value is something that you should consider doing. And with the initial investment for the LED lights or the LED Christmas lights, it's going to actually increase the value of your home and make it look beautiful at the same time. Number 7. Now this is the last one for this video, but I can actually probably go on and make 20 more advantages. But the number 7 is customizable options. One of the things I really like and was really excited about the permanent Christmas lights are the options that you can really personalize it for your home. If you want to have the lights skip every other light, or have it run, or have it blink, or have it do like a train, or whatever you want to do, you can do it. There are limitless options, like literally hundreds of thousands of options of what you can do to it. And you can have fun. You can change up the design every night. You can have a traditional design. You can basically be as creative as you want to. So that's another wonderful benefit of having the permanent Christmas lights. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some really good ideas. Now do your research, because there are several different companies and several different type of lights that are available. Personally, I went with the gemstone lights because I did my research and I thought that was better for what I wanted. I didn't want it to look as if there was an actual light bulb. I just wanted the illusion of the lights that are gleaming down. And the options were just, it was fabulous. The way they put, well, what they actually do is not hang lights like the traditional way. It's in a track, and they color match the track to your home. So you can't even tell that it wasn't custom made with your home. It looks like something that was built with your home. So I suggest you look online and do your research. There are so many different companies out there, so many different vendors. So make sure you find one that's best for you. If you are in the DFW Metroplex and you want to send me an email, I can actually tell you some more information about the lights. I'm also going to put a blog post link in the description box below to see a blog post that I wrote in more detail about the lights. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you made it to this part of the video, type the word Christmas in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Give this video a thumbs up and have a divine day. Goodbye.